Morning, everyone. This is Maine Johnson from the City of Fayetteville Corporate Communications team. I'm here with Mr. Tony Coleman, the Deputy Director of the airport here in the City of Fayetteville. We're here at the construction site, actually the demolition site of the old terminal, and I just came to speak to my friend Tony to get a little bit of information about what's going on. How you doing today, Tony?
Pretty good. How about yourself?
I'm feeling pretty good. So what's going on behind us?
Actually, what we have is the demolition of our A concourse. That particular part of the terminal is about 48 years old, so it's about time that it came down. We're really trying to just improve upon the infrastructure that we have here and the things that we have available to our passengers.
Okay. Now, so when this is done, how is this going to improve the experience for the residents or anyone who's flying out of the airport?
Now, basically, one of the things that we're doing here, as I've already mentioned, is when we take down the terminal, when we put it back up, it's going to be a brand new concourse that'll have 2 new jet bridges in it, and it'll look pretty much like the B concourse that's operational on the opposite side. So one of the things we want to let folks know is, even though we're demolishing the A concourse, the B concourse is still in place. It's still servicing American, United, and Delta.
So when do you guys think the construction will be complete on the new part, the new project?
It's going to be complete in about 18 months, so about July of 2019 will be complete. And at that time, when customers come in, they'll see the new concourse. They'll see that we've taken our restaurant and moved it from the non-secure side to the secure side, so you can go ahead and get through the TSA screening checkpoint, sit down, have yourself a good meal, and be able to then go on to your flight. And while I'm on the TSA screening checkpoint, they should know also that there's one right now, kind of creates a bottleneck at times, but when we're finished with this project, we'll have 2 TA screening checkpoints so that folks can come through to get on their flights.
Get you out faster. Another reason to fly out of Fayetteville Regional Airport. Is there anything else you want to add?
Yeah, I'd like to reiterate what you just said. We would prefer that folks don't leave home to leave home. When you fly Fayetteville. That way when you get back, you're already home.
Fly Fayetteville sounds good to me. You guys have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.